Hey, welcome back to S Academy by Sachin IDE, Simple Tech Education.
Hey, look at me. That was me yesterday, staring at a blinking cursor, trying to remember how to set up a basic web app. Now, look at this. This is me today. I'm drinking coffee, my hands aren't even on the keyboard. And Google's new AI Antigravity is building the entire app for me. Same person, same laptop, just 24 hours later. Yesterday, I was struggling with setup, folders, dependencies, errors. You know, the stuff that makes you question your life choices. Today, I just describe what I want, create a web app with login and dashboard, etc., and boom! It writes the entire code, structures the project, and runs it. No frustration, no endless debugging, just ideas turning into reality. This isn't about AI replacing developers. It's about developers moving faster than ever before. If you know what to build, AI builds it. If you want to see exactly how I made this happen, follow me, hit the subscribe button, and watch the full tutorial till the end. To Antigravity website and click on download for Windows. Now click on download for x64. Till it downloads and installs, Google Antigravity is just not another chat box that gives you the code snippet where you can just copy and paste, but it is an Agentic IDE. That means it can plan your projects, create files, and run commands in the terminals, and even open the browser and test the code itself. And after installing, first you need to sign in with the Google account after opening the Google's Antigravity. After signing in with Google account, check these two checkboxes and click on next. First time it might take some time as it is installing some extensions. Now after installing Antigravity, it is very important you to log in with your Gmail account, and after logging with your Gmail account, the Gmail account will appear here in the profile section, and after logging in you will be getting the prompt box. Now the interface will look a bit same as in VS Code editor. Now before typing any command in the command prompt, you should know about a small two settings so that our AI agent will not go crazy. So for that you have to go to the settings, which is located at right bottom. Click on the settings. Here you have two settings, auto execution and review policy. So set the auto execution to request a review for always, as you are the beginner. So what it will do is, it will ask you or ask your permission for each and every step before execution. And if you check the review policy to request a review, before making any changes to the code in your hard drive, it will ask your permission. So these two settings will do it, and next we'll go with the above one. Here we have some toggle options. You can change your view like this, changing, and by default we'll just keep as it is. This is the extension, when you can remove it. So this is our interface now. Here the review policy acts just like a junior developer. whatever the code is developed by AI, it will first show to you, ask your permission, and then proceed to the next steps or the modification steps. It's just like a junior developer asking permission for the senior developer or the senior manager before going to the next step. And the settings is just like your AI brain. And next here we have the option Open AI Manager. It is just like your machine control. That means your multiple agents will be running on the multiple projects. As we are new to this one, we will not go for this one. And next here we have clone repository. If you have connected to any GitHub account, you can directly connect to the GitHub account and clone the repository in your system. This is where actual magic happens. We'll just stretch it now. Here we can choose which models, AI models you can choose. So we will be selecting Gemini 3.1 Pro. Here we will be typing the prompt. Now I have given the prompt, create a login page with username and password and login and sign up button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also use glass morphism effect. Now it will take a bit time. Now you can see here the files have been created. Now the browser will automatically open because the AI agent will start testing the code itself. Now it needs some input from the user. You can go to the editor and allow options. This I have told you earlier. In the settings we have chosen to review. So for each and every execution of the step, it will ask the input from the user. Now you can see it is asking again. I have to go to IDE. And again allow it. Now you can see it has analyzed all the code all by itself, and now it is again asking permission to actually save the files, that is HTML, CSS and Java files. Now you can see this beautiful output here. Now I will be typing the prompt to test all the input by opening in browser. Now it has opened in the browser. So this test user is being typed by itself, that is by the agent, and also the password. Now it has clicked on the login page or the login button. So this is how it is testing the code written by itself. Now I will be typing another prompt telling it to change the color of login button. Now I want to add a sign up button beside the login button. Now you can see Again, a new login page is created according to our changes, that is with a new login button and a new sign up button beside it. A page is being created with a login button and a create account, that is nothing but a sign up button. This is how you can interact with Google's Antigravity. Now these are the tasks which I have given to it. First, to create the HTML, next to check it by itself in the browser, and next is to change the buttons. So all these files will be stored, index file, JavaScript file and style.css file will be stored in the username, what might be a username of the computer, and in the username you have a folder named .gemini. You can see here it is users, and in CSC username, and you can see .gemini in that Antigravity, Scratch. Here we have our project name known as Glass Login. Now just double click on the index file, the same file is opened. This is how you can interact with Google's Antigravity, that is Agentic IDE, in your project. Hope you have liked the video.